friends, this is Tina Harlow with Guiding Bright. Right now, there are so many things that we still cannot do. So today, we're going to focus on something that we can do. And this one simple activity provides a multitude of benefits, and that is
picking up trash.
Picking up trash can actually be really fun for kids. It's kind of like a scavenger hunt. And not only that, when we do it as a family, it gives us an opportunity to connect and to do something positive for our communities. So I realize that everyone's operating under a different set of restrictions right now. So you're going to need to make sure that the way that you do things fit within the guidelines for your area that you live in. But I would say, first and foremost, when you're going to pick up trash, of course, make sure that you and your children are wearing gloves. That being said, let's talk about how simply picking up trash can benefit the individual, the family, the community, and society as a whole. In order to do that, we are going to reach out for the wisdom of organizing and Feng Shui expert Elsa Jewett, who also happens to be my sister.
We don't always think about it this way, but the appearance of the outside environment has as much of an impact on us as our home environment. You have things in your home that are broken, things that need to be replaced. Could be even a light bulb in a lamp, and the lamp hasn't worked for a while because the light bulb needs to be changed. Or things that just need to be taken care of and need your attention. They add up and accrue and start to create this feeling of discouragement. It happens the same way in the outside world. It's like if we see trash or dilapidation, and we start to have that feeling of like, gosh, what's happened? But if we see clean and taken care of, that inspires forward movement.
So last weekend, my family and I collected trash for less than an hour, and we were blown away with what we came back with. So we decided to try to collect trash for 30 minutes each week if we can. And we invite you to join us in doing that. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I always love hearing from you, so please reach out to me on my website, which is www.guidingbright.com, or on my Facebook page. And remember, no matter what parenting challenges come our way, we've got this. We'll see you next time.